loneliness physically hurts. It is not just a metaphor, and it is certainly not just in your head. According to a massive meta-analysis of over 3 million people, chronic loneliness increases your risk of premature death by 26%. To put that terrifying number into perspective, the health impact of being chronically lonely is equal to smoking 15 cigarettes every single day. It is more dangerous than obesity. It is more dangerous than physical inactivity. For 99% of human history, being alone was not just a sad feeling. It was a literal death sentence. Your brain knows this, and right now, it is using a powerful biological alarm system to try and save your life. Let us break down exactly how this ancient mechanism works. In 2003, neuroscientist Naomi Eisenberger conducted a famous study. She put people inside an fMRI brain scanner and had them play a virtual ball-tossing game called Cyberball. Midway through the game, the other players stopped throwing the ball to the subject. They were deliberately excluded. When the subjects felt this social rejection, their brains lit up in a very specific region, the dorsal anterior cingulate cortex. Here is the critical part. This is the exact same brain region that activates when you experience severe physical pain, like breaking a bone or burning your hand on a stove. Evolution did not build a separate neural network for social pain. It hijacked the physical pain system. Why? Because physical pain forces you to pull your hand away from a fire instantly. Social pain forces you to repair a broken social bond before you get killed by a predator. It is a survival reflex. But what happens when that alarm does not turn off? What happens when loneliness becomes chronic? Your brain assumes you are in a hostile, dangerous environment. It triggers the HPA axis, flooding your body with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This causes systemic inflammation. It gets even worse at the cellular level. Research by Nobel laureate Elizabeth Blackburn shows that chronic stress and loneliness actually shorten your telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the end of your DNA strands, like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Shorter telomeres mean your cells age faster. Loneliness literally ages you from the inside out. It also destroys your sleep architecture. Studies show that lonely people experience significantly more micro-awakenings during the night. Their brains stay in a hyper-vigilant threat detection mode, preventing them from reaching deep, restorative, slow-wave sleep. You wake up exhausted because your brain spent the entire night guarding an empty camp. This brings us to the modern evolutionary mismatch. Anthropologist Robin Dunbar proved that the human brain is only wired to maintain about 150 stable social relationships. This is known as Dunbar's number. Today, you are not being exiled from your tribe. You are sitting in a safe, temperature-controlled room, scrolling through a feed of thousands of strangers, but your ancient brain does not understand the internet. When you see friends hanging out without you on Instagram, or your post gets 0 likes, your amygdala screams, "We are being rejected." We built a hyper-connected digital world, but our biology only responds to physical presence, eye contact, and touch. Digital interactions do not trigger the release of oxytocin, the primary bonding hormone. You could have 1 million followers and still trigger a severe biological crisis. Here's the crucial scientific distinction. Loneliness is not the same thing as being alone. When you are lonely, your brain shifts into hypervigilance. It makes you more defensive, more paranoid, and less empathetic. But when you choose to be alone, it is called solitude. Solitude lowers cortisol. So, how do we hack this ancient system? First, seek out weak ties. Sociologist Gillian Sandstrom found that brief, positive interactions with acquaintances, like a cashier, a barista, or a neighbor, significantly boost well-being and lower cortisol. You just need to feel like part of a tribe. Second, use co-regulation. Simply being in the same room as another calm human being helps synchronize your nervous systems. Third, reframe your alone time. Consciously tell your brain, I am safe. I chose this. If this helped you understand your biology, hit like and subscribe. You are just a caveman in a digital world. Thanks for watching.